never used this kind of thing before. I hope I do it right. Start new chat.
Hi, I'm Pedro, your tech expert for the 3 social media platforms available with your subscription level.
Hi, I'm Vera. I own a beauty salon.
Hi, Vera. It's great to meet you. I'm Pedro, your best global AI platform technical specialist. How can I help you maximize your marketing strategies and enhance customer engagement for your beauty salon? Let's get started.
Well, I wrote this question down. I hope it's specific enough. How can I use HeyGen to create personalized video tutorials for my clients while promoting my new beauty treatments and track customer engagement through social media?
Absolutely, Vera. You can definitely use HeyGen to create engaging video tutorials for your beauty treatments. By integrating it with our AirShare platform, you can promote these videos on social media and track customer engagement effectively. Just script your tutorials, customize your avatar with HeyGen, and share your video across your social channels. It's a powerful way to showcase your treatments while connecting with your audience. If you need help on how to set this up, feel free to ask.
So can I hire somebody to do this for me? I'm not very technical.
Absolutely, Vera. You can hire a professional to help create your videos and set everything up. At Best Global AI, we offer extras like professional video production and design services. Just visit our homepage to see what options are available, and you'll get expert help tailored to your needs. Don't hesitate to focus on your salon while we take care of the tech. If you have any other questions about the process, I'm here to help.
Okay, thanks, Pedro. I'll see you later, and maybe I'll get a website done too while I'm here.
You're welcome, Vera. I'm excited for you and your plans to enhance your beauty salon's online presence. When you're ready to take the next steps, or if you have more questions, just reach out. Have a fantastic day and see you later.